Welcome to Shoemaker's Garage. Today we're going to talk about my 92 Subaru Loyale. It's got the 1.8 liter pancake motor. She runs good besides a few exhaust leaks. She needs a little work. We're going to be doing a build series on her soon. We're going to put a turbo and intercooler and all that on her. We're going to get her bored out. Besides this here, she's pretty clean. Here, I'm gonna start her for her, and I'll let you guys listen to her. I need to fix that serpentine belt. Yeah, she runs good. She's a little dirty, but auto response is a little junky on it, but it's just stock Subaru GL. Real nice, real clean. I put the fog lights here on the front on by myself, so yeah, she's a little dirty. It went mudded. Show you the other side. She's a little dirty. Hit a mud pit, but I mean it's no biggie. She got to live. She got a pancake Ford. Wrap it up for you outside. Yeah, this is Scooby. We're gonna do a build series on her. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna do a big old build series on her from start to the bottom. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a fun time. Make sure you hit that subscribe and like button and follow for more. Hit the bell for notifications, and yeah, we're gonna get started.